I got this client that was referred by the name of Jane. She's a 10-year-old that's in the fifth grade. Um, she seems to be testing above her. She seems to be testing about an average for her grade level, but she seems to be having problems with reading, writing, and arithmetic. Her She's had no problems with as far as any type of abuse, as far as domestic or alcohol or drugs, but she has been in special services for educational purposes since pre-kindergarten. Um, Home life seems to be normal for a 10-year-old, typical 10-year-old. Um, with her WISC, she seems to be in the normal educational range, with the exception of what I mentioned before, her math and her reading and her arithmetic. She appears to have a lot of low test scores in those areas, and we're not sure why, but it's mentioning that she's having a problem with memorization of things. One of the things that was noted is that she does better memorizing in as far as learning things in block form. One of the examples was given like remembering a phone number. So instead of normal 7-digit phone number of 4531347, she would better memorize it as in 4531347 instead of the typical way that anyone else remembers. Um, Her nonverbal and her verbal skills seem to be about average for a 10-year-old that's in fifth grade. So one of the things that was recommended was that instead of her instead of worrying about how much homework she gets done, worry about the quality of homework she gets done. Another thing that was recommended was working on her completing assignments in a timely fashion. Other than that, there really wasn't any other difficulties.